Hey guys, Chris, aka Wood here with KLINGSPOR Abrasives. Got my buddy John here from our corporate accounts division.
Chris, I heard we had some new saw blades. Can you tell me about it?
We do. We've got carbide tipped saw blades for a lot of specialty products like plastic laminate, non-ferrous metals, solid surface, plastics, melamine as well. Plus we've got them for steel and stainless steel. And of course, no saw blade would be complete without ripping blades, cross-cut blades, miter blades. Oh gee, what else do we have? Even combination blades. So check us out. We'd love to help you any way we can.